Hello and welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd show you the beginnings of my lights out kit. It goes into this backpack. That is my Coleman lantern, and it pops up. I can't do it with one hand, but it pops up. I showed it in a review in another video. I have 2 packs of AA batteries. I have my really big flashlight, which I have to get batteries for that still. That's on my list. I keep little flashlights throughout the house, basically in every room. And I need to get some AAA batteries. For those, I have an extended lighter to use with the candles. I also have matches for some other candles that I have. I didn't put all the candles in here because I have them throughout the house, throughout the apartment, in different rooms. So, and then I have some glow sticks, or some people call them chem lights, depending on where you are in the world. This is a 3-pack of the yellow, obviously, and these are the bracelets, which I wouldn't use them as bracelets, but they're a 6-pack, and they're in a tube, so they're protected from being broken. I also have these from the Dollar Tree, which are like, I think they burn for like a long time. It doesn't say how long, but I know that they burn for quite a long time. They also get them in other things like the prayers and De La Muertos ones with the candy skulls, things like that. By no means is this my complete kit. I still, like I said, have to add a few things. I also have other things throughout the house, but this is a kit that I can get to. I know where it is. It's all put in here, except for these candles. I put these back in my kitchen cupboard so they don't get broken. But I know exactly what cupboard they are in, and that's the only one I put them in. So, thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment below, share if you like. And we'll see you next time. Have a great day.